Major developments tonight in a high-profile murder trial. A verdict has been reached in the death of Trinity cheerleader Cayley Mandadi.
Just a few hours ago, a jury found Mark Howerton not guilty of killing Mandadi back in 2017. Howerton was convicted of a lesser charge. This is the second time he was tried in court. In 2019, jurors couldn't reach a decision.
KENS 5 reporter Hannah Tita is following the reaction for us tonight. And Hannah, the jury was able to reach a verdict quickly today while jurors were deadlocked in the last trial. What was the difference this time around?
Well, there was a difference in the way the state presented its case. For starters, a witness was not brought back to the stand after speculation that his testimony may have been damaging to the state's case. But probably the biggest advantage prosecutors had was speaking to jurors after the mistrial. Now, I want to mention the verdict tonight was not what the victim's family ultimately hoped for, but we are told they are satisfied. After 5 hours of deliberation, a verdict was reached. Outside the courtroom, loved ones of Cayley Mandadi embraced, cried, some smiled.
And they've been hurting, and we're happy to conclude it today.
It took 2 trials, but Mark Howerton will face prison time. He was accused of killing his girlfriend back in 2017. The 19-year-old Trinity University student was taken to the hospital covered head to toe in bruises. Howerton told police he and Mandadi had taken the drug MDMA at a concert, then had rough but consensual sex before she stopped breathing. The defense claimed the drugs caused her brain bleed, but the state argued Mandadi's autopsy showed the cause of death was blunt force trauma.
The family has waited a long time for justice.
The prosecution was determined to avoid another hung jury.
The last trial in December of 2019, we talked to the jurors. 8 of them were ready to find him guilty and 4 were not.
The state says their dilemma came down to intent.
Did he want her dead, or did he just want to hurt her and killed her?
So another charge was on the table this time. And while the jury found Howerton not guilty of murder, he was found guilty of aggravated assault causing bodily injury.
This brings closure to the family.
And I did reach out to Mandadi's family for comment. I'm waiting to hear back. Howerton's attorney told us that he will speak with us after the sentencing. And speaking of which, Howerton faces 2 to 20 years behind bars. Prosecutors tell us they will be asking the judge for the maximum sentence. Reporting live, Hannah Tita, KENS 5.